Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Monday. Kicking off with football, the debacle which followed the Manning Cup final and forced the cancellation of the trophy presentation was a sore point in the schoolboy football season, according to ISA President Keith Wellington. In his assessment of the season, Wellington also says the turnout for the Da Costa Cup final justified ISA's decision to move it to the National Stadium. A sea of supporters flowed onto the field from the stands at the National Stadium after the ISA Manning Cup last Friday, after Mona joined the list of schools to win the urban area schoolboy football title. But amidst the chaos, organisers ISA were fuming before eventually making the call to scrap the usual trophy presentation on the night. President Keith Wellington admitted that the scenes left a bad taste in the mouth.
Outside of the weather, which we have no control over, I think that for me the flashpoint in terms of the one significant moment would have been the incident yesterday where we were unable to present the trophy to the winning team. I think we have to send a strong message as to what is it we are willing to accept. As school leaders, we have to ensure that people understand that discipline is paramount in whatever we do. So I'm disappointed that we have not yet been able to present that trophy, but we'll take our time and make a decision as to when and how we will do that.
Mona principal Kevin Jones was upset in the immediate aftermath, insisting that his team should not have been denied the opportunity to celebrate, but said at the time that there was a consolation.
We have won the Manning Cup. It belongs to Mona High School for the next academic year. We will keep it at Mona High School. So the fact that we didn't have a ceremony surrounding the Manning Cup at the National Stadium, we will have our ceremony at Mona High School, and it's going to be a jubilee. It's going to be a jubilation, and we'll be happy.
And the school did host its celebration on Monday on its school grounds with the usual fanfare which surrounds championship celebrations. In the meantime, Wellington says ISA was vindicated in its decision to stage the Da Costa Cup final at the National Stadium instead of in rural Jamaica as is customary, based on the support in the stands for Clarendon College and Glenmuir on Saturday.
We always know that rural Jamaica supports football. The fact that they got the opportunity to come and watch their teams in a comfortable environment meant that it was encouraging for them to come out. And obviously, again, we have to mention the fact that these were Clarendon teams. It takes you, 20 minutes to get to Clarendon from Mandela now. Maybe easier for the people from Clarendon to get here than from Portmore or St. Thomas. So logistically, I thought it was a good idea. What we are disappointed about is that we don't have this type of facility in rural Jamaica.
And ISA has since said that Mona High will be presented with the Manning Cup on Wednesday prior to the Olivier Shield final, where they'll play the Costa Cup champions Clarendon College at the National Stadium starting at 5 p.m.